Running a local business can be tough. You've got customers to serve, products to manage, and your to-do list literally might seem endless. Building a website for your local business literally should be the last thing you should be stressing about. That's where a website builder comes in. Website builders make it easy for anyone to create a professional website, even if you're literally not that tech savvy at all. With drag and drop tools, it's as simple as choosing a template, adding your text and images, and hitting the publish button. Your website can literally be live in just a couple minutes. And the best part of all, these website builders automatically make your site look great on phones, tablets, and desktops, so your customers can easily find you no matter what device they're using. You also get built-in tools like analytics, so you can track how many visitors are coming to your website and see what's working and what's not. A website can help you attract more customers, build your brand, and give your business the professional online presence it deserves. But if the idea of building your own website still feels very overwhelming, don't worry. With Mighty Sites, you can get a professional website up and running for just $9 a month. That's less than the cost of a lunch out, but the return can be a huge success for your business. So if you don't already have a website for your local business, try out Mighty Sites. Now is the time. Visit Mighty Sites by clicking on the link below. Get started for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. So be sure to click on the link below this video and see how well the Mighty Sites platform works for you and your small business.